Good morning. I am Marilyn Del Mundo, 46 years old, and a Filipino citizen and a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Nursing. I work as a private duty nurse before in Al-Khobar, Saudi Arabia, and the other one is in Al Taif, Saudi Arabia also for 3 years. And my work includes taking care of male elderly, weak with cane and has medical issues. I'm assisting in bathing, grooming, and even feeding because he cannot able to feed himself, and giving of medicine and vital signs monitoring, helping in giving physical activity, exercising, and assisting in going out inside the house, going to park, and doing household chores like cleaning the living room, sweeping the rooms, cleaning the bathroom, especially the patient's bathroom, and then going marketing, purchasing of groceries, and laundering the clothes of the family, and even the preparation of the food of the patient, pureed food, and preparation of food and meals for the family. And the other one, I've been worked as a domestic work in Hong Kong for 1 month, and my duties includes taking care of male elderly, also the Parkinson patient, weak, can't able to walk, giving of bathing, grooming, and feeding of the patient, preparation of pureed food for the patient, giving of medicine, and vital signs monitoring, assisting in physical exercise, and walking of the patient, assisting in walking of the patient, and doing household chores also, light household chores like cleaning, housekeeping, cleaning of the bathroom and the rooms, and even cooking, food preparation for the family and for me, and doing laundry also for the family, and purchasing of groceries or marketing. That's all.